Workbook and lesson to accompany this video, available on Teachers Pay Teachers.
Teacher in sweatpants.
Prior Learning Lead-Up Lesson, Color Mixing Lab. Try this color mixing lab, free. Now it is your turn to paint a Maud Lewis creation, One Black Cat. Get your supplies ready. Each desk group can set up their area with the following items: paint, water cup, paint palette, cardstock, paintbrush, cotton swabs, and masking tape. Tape down your paper to the desk. This tape will create a nice frame when completed. Heavy cardstock works best. Teachers, you may want to do this for your students. Paint 3/4 of the background green. Remember, you may need to stop and let these parts dry before you continue on. Paint the sky blue. Remember, you can pause this video anytime you need to. Trace the outline of the cat with pencil. Paint the cat's body and tail. Outline the cat's ears. Use a small brush to paint in the wisps of hair. Color in the ears with gray paint. Gently peel off the tape. You won't want to leave it on very long, or it may start to rip your cardstock. Look at the bottom. Mine started to rip a little bit. Fold the paper into 4 columns and practice making leaves. Paint the leaves you practiced on your cat painting. Practice drawing tree branches. Paint the branches that you practiced. Add leaves to the branches. Practice painting the white blossoms. Paint the white blossoms that you practiced. Practice adding pink to the white blossoms. Add pink to the white blossoms on your painting. Add stems to the blossoms. Paint tulips using the same technique as the leaves. Finish the rest of the tulips in a different color. Color the eyes yellow. A Q-tip works great for this. Paint a tiny nose, mouth, and whiskers on your cat. You've now created a beautiful Maud Lewis black cat.
Check out my other videos on YouTube.
Workbook and lesson to accompany this video available on Teachers Pay Teachers.
Teacher in Sweatpants.